Is this. So this is the wash. So this is where you put the soap liquid. Done, well cleaned. This is the brinjal. We have fixed the squirrels by vessels are ready to be arranged. And welcome to my new vlog. So in today's vlog I'm going to show you the 3 dishwashers which we have at home. So one is in the first floor. Sorry. So the first floor is dishwasher is this. So this is the wash. So this is where you put the soap liquid, and this is the dishwasher detergent. So this is the plastic container and all that. So this is yet to switch on. So everything is arranged. I'll just switch on the light. So the washing machine is running and the dryer is on, and so this is what it is. So I'll just quickly go to my mom's kitchen and I'll show you their dishwasher. So this is the dishwasher tour. So you have to keep the plates here, the eating plates which has the compartments. And these are the vessels and the basins and all that, and you have these ceramic cups, and we use even the wooden spatulas and all that here, and the spoons, cups, bowls, small plates, lids, and everything is kept here. So I'll go to my mom's kitchen now. I have not told them that I'll come, so I'll quickly go there. So this is for the aesthetic view. See how nice it is. And so this is where my mom's kitchen. So I'll show you my mom's dishwasher here. It's all done, well cleaned, shining. So the same way it is because it's Bosch. So all 3 are Bosch. You also have a one of my friend has a Siemens dishwasher, but this is from Bosch. So see, it's all clean and nicely organized, and it's all shiny. It's beautiful. And a quick view. If there is anything nice, I'll show you. Like any bees or butterflies comes up, I'll show you. So this is the brinjal and the tomatoes. So we have fixed the squirrels by giving them the food in this corner, so they don't come over and eat the food which we have in our terrace. So I'll quickly go to my mother-in-law's kitchen now. இல்லை எப்படி இருக்கோ அப்படியே காமிக்கலாம் நம்ம, அவ்வளோதான். It's just that I'll show you how the dishwasher is here. So the vessels are ready to be arranged. Ma, arrange பண்ணிட்டீங்களா vessels? Done na already? Oh, it's all done already. See, even the hot pack is kept here, clean and neat, shining. So the 3 dishwashers are here, and the plates, spatulas are also arranged here, and the spoons, so the tumblers. So that's the quick view of all the 3 dishwashers at home. And even the plates I will show. So these are the plates. bowls, vessels, and then this is a box, a kind of bread box. Then hot packs and the storage space, small lunch boxes, and small milk vessels, sambar rasam vessels here. So this is what it is. So this is also from Bosch. So we have 3 dishwashers at home. So I showed you all the 3 dishwashers for today. Hope you liked my video for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.